Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a notice writing. Notice number, date. Free eye checkup camp. A free eye checkup camp will be organized for the residents of our locality on 5th December 2025 from 11 am to 4 pm at the community hall. This camp is arranged to help local people take care of their eye health. All are welcome to come and get their eyes tested by expert doctors at no cost. Please bring your family members and neighbors to benefit from this camp. For further details, you may contact the secretary of the club. Countersigned by Secretary of the Club, name. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.